Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring the essential prerequisites are in place. Python 3, 10 or newer and pip because package management matters. Once done, make a project folder and create a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. You will avoid version conflicts. Then open your code editor, create main, py, and run it immediately to confirm the runtime. This first run proves the environment works. It also shows you where errors appear so you can fix paths, permissions, or interpreter selection right away. Now you build core logic and a reliable test loop. Start by breaking code into small functions and modules so behavior is clear and reusable. This makes debugging easier. Then declare dependencies and requirements, txd or pip reject, toml and install them. Consistent environments prevent works on my machine. Once you have code, write PyTest unit tests and run them frequently. Failing tests reveal assumptions to correct. As you refactor, run tests often to keep changes safe and predictable. To finalize, create a clear entry point and increment a version so users know releases. Once ready, add CI steps to run tests, linters, and build artifacts. This automates checks and prevents regressions. Deploy the package to PyPI or push a container image to a registry depending on your target. If something breaks, read the traceback first, then isolate the issue with small reproductions or a debugger. If needed, roll back to the last green, commit to restore a working baseline quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.